thing. I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know how well it would look.
Wow, so they're going up on this other hill. They're kind of off. It looks like another path that gets closer, maybe.
Yeah, and it looks like it's erupting and then just falling right back into the vent. At this point, I don't see it overflowing. But we're going to continue to walk to get closer to it. But here's a little bit of a break in the weather so we get a decent video. I'll keep it under 2 minutes.